Hello, it's me, your 8th favourite gardening channel. Pop round to my dad's house and as you can see I'm in his greenhouse. I had a look to see what was going on. I know I've already done a greenhouse update, but his tomatoes are going strong, specifically the beefsteak. So let's go and have a look at them. These aren't beefsteak, these are, what are these? I don't know. I don't grow tomatoes, as some of you may know or may not, because I suffer from acid indigestion when I have tomatoes, so I stay well clear of them, which is why you never see any videos of them on my channel. Oh, smashing his greenhouse. But these are going strong, but specifically these bad boys. Look at that. What an ugly bugger that is. There we go. Looks like my backside after a strong curry and a couple of lagers. Let's give them a twist, get them off. I've asked if I can do this, and I've been given them a green light, but maybe I need to put the camera down. Well, I don't know if it's official, but I reckon this is probably the biggest tomato he's ever grown. I'm sure it is, I'm sure he'll tell me that. Got another one there. Looks a bit vulgar. Two down here. And another there. I think you can, if you put all your efforts into it, I think you can grow 2-pounders. I don't think this is a 2-pounder. Haven't got any scales to weigh it, but certainly is a big one. That long pod aubergine needs to come off. Come on. There we go. Let's have a look at these guys here. I'm not too sure what they are. They could be chili peppers or they could be elongated sweet peppers. If they're sweet peppers, I definitely eat them. If they were chili peppers, not for me, I'm afraid. Rightio, that's it for this one. Short and sweet. I was just very impressed with the beefsteak tomatoes. Since I don't grow them, I thought it was video worthy for me at the very least. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have, remember to hit the like button. If you liked it, share the video if you want to share it. Subscribe to the channel because that always helps. But most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now.